Our collective commitment to the future of our state is deepened today with this arts complex's official groundbreaking, breathing new life and opportunity into this campus in pursuit of a truly world-class fine arts complex right here in Normal.
This transformation project is about ensuring that today's students and tomorrow's, together with our faculty and staff, have access to exceptional learning, teaching, and working environment that matches their level of ambition.
All fine arts students have at least one thing in common. We have a passion that we want to share with others. My hope is that this edition will provide a space for fine arts students to learn more about each other and the work that we do across disciplines, further encouraging collaboration and an opportunity for a new kind of creativity at Illinois State University.